Good morning. Are you ready to start your day with more energy, less stiffness, and a stronger body? In today's video, I'll share 5 quick exercises that every woman over 50 should do each morning to feel great and stay active. And the best part? You can do them right at home. No equipment needed. Stick around till the end, because I'll also share a bonus tip that can help you move better all day long. Exercise number 1, neck tilts. Gently tilt your head from side to side, holding for a few seconds on each side. This simple stretch relieves tension in your neck and shoulders, a common issue as we age. Exercise number 2, shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward and backward in slow, controlled circles. This helps improve posture, reduces stiffness, and keeps your upper body flexible. Exercise number 3, arm swings. Stand tall and gently swing your arms back and forth across your body. This gets your blood flowing and warms up your joints for the day ahead. Exercise number 4, marching in place. Lift your knees and pump your arms in a steady rhythm. This low-impact cardio boosts circulation and wakes up your entire body. Exercise number 5, gentle squats. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart and slowly bend your knees as if you're sitting in a chair. Squats strengthen your legs, support joint health, and help with balance. Here's your bonus tip. Take a few deep belly breaths after your exercises. It calms your mind, lowers stress, and sets a positive tone for the rest of your day. Doing these 5 simple exercises every morning can keep you feeling young, mobile, and energized. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more easy health tips, and share this with a friend who could use a morning boost. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.